Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the outline of a text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change the outline of a text box in this document. Firstly we insert a text box. We go to the insert menu and click the text box drop down menu and choose a text box. Now I select the simple text box and we can see here we insert a text box and this text box outline color is black. Now we change the color black to another. Click the text box and go to the format menu, then select shape outline and choose any color. Now I select the red color and you can see here we change the outline of a text box very easily. You can use shape fill, click the shape fill and select any color. Otherwise you use another style. Click the shape style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.